What exactly is Gruyere cheese? Anybody who is skilled in using cheese in their cooking recipes knows how valuable Gruyere cheese is. Because of how smooth it melts and its texture, Gruyere is one of the best ingredients for all kinds of recipes that involve some kind of cheese. It is most effective in fondues as well as croque monsieur, and also has practical, table uses as well, such as in sandwiches. Usually, cheeses are only capable of serving one purpose or the other. The versatility of Gruyere cheese puts it in high demand, and it can be difficult to find when you need it. The high demand also makes Gruyere cheese a lot more costly than other kinds of cheeses. Fortunately, there exist practical substitutes for Gruyere cheese, and they are not hard to find. Before exploring these substitutes, it is important to understand exactly what makes Gruyere cheese so valuable and effective in recipes. As we all know, cheese in general is really just curdled milk that has been separated and combined with rennet, an enzyme that allows it to melt. Rennet levels are what determines how much cheese will melt. Some cheeses are curdled with acid and will not melt. Because Gruyere cheese is curdled with rennet, the substitutes will also need to be curdled with rennet. The thing that makes Gruyere cheese stand out is that it is similar to Swiss cheese, but it is even more flavorful, creamy and rich. You will not find this in Swiss cheese, which is a lot less flavorful. When looking for a substitute for Gruyere cheese, you should look for cheese with the same kinds of properties. To be specific, you should look for cheese that have high rennet and acid levels. This is what gives Gruyere cheese its texture when melted and is what makes it so effective in fondue-type recipes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.